things that you should pay attention to when you are setting up your profile. Now, your profile title needs to have clear specialization. Now, looking at these two persons' profile titles, for Fred T, his profile title goes like this: maximize your business with modern iOS software engineering. Clear specialization. There's no confusion in it. You will not sit and start wondering because it's clear. When clients want to search for who to hire, just put yourself in a client's shoes. For instance, you're going to the market to buy a shoe. You don't know where shoes are sold. What do? You start asking people, where can I buy a shoe, right? Do you ask people, where can I buy socks? Thinking that you find shoe there? No. Now, the key word is shoe. So this is why the keywords that actually describes what you are doing should be on your profile. Because when clients come to search on Upwork, what they tend to search first is what they are looking for. There should be some form of professionalism in your profile. I've seen so many profile titles where people just write haphazard things just the way they feel. But it's not about the way you feel. It's about business. It's about attracting people that will actually hire you and pay you. Your profile title needs to be updated and relevant at all times. It's not something that you would do today and then you leave it for maybe in the next 6 months, 1 year. You need to keep reviewing. When you start growing, you start seeing that there's need for you to change things because you have learned new things. Your niche is shifting. So you need to keep updating and make relevant profile titles. If you are selling a product and you are selling, for instance, you're selling babies' clothes or babies' wears, what you'll be thinking about is mothers, what mothers would like, right? So think like your client all the time to ensure that you are actually in line with what you should be doing. Your profile title should be result-oriented. Keep it very short as possible. And finally, you need to be specific.